If you're anything like me, you will find a career in Airways. Who doesn't love aviation? Hi, my name is Andria Huang. I'm a maintenance engineer in Airways. Well, Airways is a company that's responsible for New Zealand airspace. So we have critical equipment to help Airways to ensure the safety of the airspace. Hence, as a maintenance engineer, I look after the standards for the critical equipment that's installed and the maintenance that's carried out. I have a degree in electrical engineering as a master degree in wireless communication. So I've started my aviation role from Dulles International Airport as an airfield lighting electrician. Then when I come back to New Zealand, I saw this advertisement, so I applied. What surprised me with my role in Airways is, I wasn't actually interested in this role from the position description. It only changed my mind after I talked to the maintenance manager to help me to understand what this role is, and it's actually what I wanted to do. So here I am. An average day for me could be 50% time in the office, doing a bit of computer work, admin, planning for the next job. And 50% could be out in the field, checking the installation of the equipment that's up to standard or doing some audits. Often I'll have a Sparky or a technician with me that we discuss things and we can look over things that they have a problem with that require my support. The part of the day I look forward most is actually getting out of the office. Personally, I like to be out in the field more than just sitting behind a computer. If you're anything like me, you will find a career in Airways that's very challenging and exciting, and working in the amazing aviation world. Who doesn't love aviation?